Right with butter. Hey, Pitbull! I think you see the job. This is your house?
Yes.
What a beautiful house.
I told my mother so she can see it. She's pretty sick right now.
Yeah.
So I said, what color you want the house to be? You want it to be
White.
blue? Te pongo tu casa bonita.
Beautiful.
So this is for her.
You Dominican?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
White
Don't you hear it?
You're a white Dominican.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
From
my sister
Santiago?
has green eyes.
Mira, en Santo Domingo hay otra
My
cosa.
mother was born in Santiago, yeah.
I like, ¿cómo se llama eso, Jim? En zona colonial, I like that over there.
Oh yeah, it's really
Beautiful.
nice. Really nice. I went last year. I took my kids. I took them to Christopher Columbus house.
Oh,
That
that's
whole
beautiful,
section,
yeah. You're gonna keep this black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You put that?
Yeah. The top was all black. This was he had a Yankee gutter, and we taking out the Yankee gutter. You see Yankee gutter?
Now I'm taking it out, ripping it out.
Ripping it out. And put in new wood, putting it back out.
And then you're gonna paint this.
We're gonna
right?
paint.
Yeah.
We're gonna paint all around, and we're gonna put black gutter.
Bonitillo, tú estás muy lindo para estar trabajando hoy.
Yo siempre estoy lindo.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Check this out. This is the before, and then I'm gonna show you the after. Much nicer. Any color you want. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This house is gonna be amazing when they finish it. So big. Look at that. Unbelievable. This is like a building. Boom. What happened?
What's the construction? Don't move, improve. Oh man.
Did I give you a piece of bread?
¿Qué tú opinas de esto?
Bro, why you didn't get the Corvette?
Because I test drive both of them, bro.
And this was better?
And he got 4 seats. I didn't have to go back 2 seats.
Yeah. Oh, you have both of them now?
Hay que abrirle esos pipes.
Oh, esto está abierto hace tiempo. I opened this baby up last night.
I'm here with Eladio's car. I don't know how to drive stick, so this is 5-speed, but we're gonna try this. No, I know how to drive stick. I'm fucking with you guys. He was really nervous. He wanted to get in the car with me, so it was so funny. So I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna burn it up here in this little corner here. So Caesar, hold on tight. All right. All right, make sure that all 4 corners are good. Let that guy go by. And that was in front of a church, so I wanted to take it easy. Get his face when we go back in.
What's up, Eladio?
What's up, bro?
Hicimos una dona allí.
Yeah, I was burning it up over there, right? I was gonna make a U-turn, but then there was like a church and a couple of old people, so I didn't want to like. Guess what kind of dog this is? Susan, what kind of dog is that?
She's a Pit Sioux.
So what's a Pit Sioux?
A Pit Sioux is a pit bull / Shih Tzu.
So who was the father?
The father was
The Shih Tzu.
The Shih Tzu.
No joda, y se lo pilló a una pitbull.
Yeah, it was done on purpose. It was done on purpose.
Really?
They got together. The pit bull mother was supposed to be a smaller runt of the family, so they were able to combine them. And I got her because the Shih Tzu parent was allergic to her. She wasn't super hyperallergenic enough for her, so I was fortunate enough to grab her.
That's interesting, Susan. When I first saw the dog, I thought it was a pit bull mixed with a chihuahua, and she was like, "No, it's a Shih Tzu." Shih Tzu, ¿qué?
Pit bull.
Pitbull. Y eso, mira, hicieron un pitbull porn.
That was weird. And the Koopa was the Shih Tzu was the father, and the pit bull was the mom. And what's the dog's name?
Her name is Tessa. She's 7 years old.
Tessa.
And she got nice teeth.
She loves to smile when she meets people.
Deja ver los dientes. Deja verle los dientes.
He's a good girl, mama. That's a good girl.
That's cool. That's interesting.
Ese otro perrito para tirarse un pipo tienen que tener una cancha de tronca, fíjate. Ese perrito dijo, ven acá, pipo, toma.
So I'm here with E. He goes to the left because that's his better side, right? What? What? You don't like this side?
Both sides are my good side.
I like that. Anyway, tell me what you're doing over here with this property.
Okay, we're here in Passaic. We're doing all the siding. We're changing all the rotted wood. We're gonna do the porch. We're gonna do the deck. We're gonna finish the garage. We're gonna do the roof in the garage. We're gonna do everything. And when it comes out, it's gonna come out beautiful like always.
It's kind of cool because she wanted only white, and I think that they had a little bit of trouble finding the materials, right? Because you can't get white siding. Again, we keep on having that trouble, but we ended up getting, you ended up getting all the materials, and it looks pretty cool because it has like the black borders around the windows. The other thing that I like about this house is that it's massive. She said that the whole house is 8,000 square feet, and the livable square footage is 6,500. So it's kind of cool to see this project. I can't wait to see what the after video after everything is gonna look like. Good job, bro.
Thank you.
Good job. And then mira quién llegó aquí, Bonitillo.
Y otro bonitillo.
What's up, bro? How was Santo Domingo? We're here with the mentees, and what I suggest that they do is come to the job sites on Saturdays and then take pictures and videos so that you guys can start seeing what the process is like. So feel free to take big pictures and videos. Same thing for you, and then you too. Take some pictures and videos, because Gina is good with the textbook, but we got to get him out to the job site a little bit. Got a hammer? Get him on the ladder.
I got a hammer.
Got to get him on the ladder.
And we gotta change this.
No, we went to the gym and he came with a blazer. So he always wears a blazer.
We were playing a pickup game, 2-on-2, and he came with a blazer. And he won.
And he won.
So
He doesn't.
the blazer guy.
He's the blazer guy. Goes there. Was going to the gym. He comes. He shows up with a suit and everything. That's impressive all the time.
And he doesn't sweat. No sweat.
Mantequilla, you did.
Hermano's Bakery, so good.
Yeah, it's great.
And their cookies are really good
Yeah,
too.
you know what I did one time? I went to Puerto Rico. I went to La Panadería de Cataño, got bread, and came back and brought it to my mother. My mother was like, no. Yep, directly from Puerto Rico.
Pero coño, te salió caro ese pan.
Ese pan me salió caro.
No seas loco. You could have went to bakery.
Around the corner from my grandmother's house growing up, yo tenía una panadería ahí mismo en la esquina. Oh my God, the
You did it the
smell-
morning
Yeah,
and the
yeah.
evening.
The
And you
smell
with
in
a hot
that area
chocolate.
was
Yep.
so good. Y la gente
Oh,
va
yeah.
en aquel DH because se completaba
You
uno.
gotta
Más gorda que
send a
el
bag
día.
over. Send a bag over.
Ese
You called
pan
him
de
for a
agua,
bag.
olvídate.
There was a guy that brought pan con mantequilla over here. And
Pan con
he closed it
mantequilla
down.
y café.
¿Y café? Yeah. Y you got a Dunkin'. Tienes que meterlo en el café.
Sí, hay que estar bueno.
Y en Puerto Rico comíamos con flame dentro del café.
Wow, estamos de verano. Let's go buy all that stuff so we could make it.
Esa comida de pobre que nunca se te olvida.
Let's go make it.
Awesome. It's so good.
Yeah.
You want to have your central topic and then you want to have the creator. You have the teacher. Like, uno tiene que comer bien.
Mira Bonitillo cómo se para. Él se para como, yeah. Tú sabes, he looks like the Marlboro guy. Remember the Marlboro? Lo único que le falta es el cigarrillo. Tú sabes, like. Chacho, no se pierde uno. So let's go to Hilden.
Transformation is crazy.
Yeah, we're really gonna do a good job coming up. Next week we're gonna be cleaning everything up. They're turning on all the systems now to turn on the heating and air conditionings. They're testing everything out, and then the cleanup company comes in this week, and then we're gonna be finishing the basement and the flooring. So we're really excited. And then I think Eddie wants to buy the house. So Eddie offered like $575. And we got a higher offer for like $590 or $595. So it's been pretty wild. Eddie, estamos hablando que tú la quieres because we already had spoken around $575. and we got an offer for like $590, $595. But I think that if Eddie wants it, I'm gonna probably go with Eddie. Eddie, what do you think?
I think it's a great property and it's a great investment as well, and I'm gonna go for it.
Brand new, you know, with stickers and everything. Oh, I was wondering why the refrigerator was out, because they have to run the water line. So I was like, I wonder why it's out. So they just have to run the water line. So this apartment has its own electricity panel, and then the apartment upstairs has its own electricity panel. So if the electricity goes out, you don't have to go down to the basement. You just go to your electrical panel within your own apartment. So it's extra money for us, the developer, but it's also a benefit to you guys, the homeowner, and to the property itself.